Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing fine and is safe and sound. And I just wanted to show you my bootloader burner because I had a few questions about it and requests. So here we goes. Here I have a strip of 328, Atmeag328. And I just taped it to the table so it won't slide around, and I want to show you how fast it is to upload a boot learner to a version 328. So since I powered this up and it was empty, it says failed, of course. So I just take the 328. I use my trusted tweezers. You can use a pick and place pen if you like. You press it in there and then it says done. And if you're like me and get easily annoyed by the sound, you can just put a tape over the buzzer and so it won't get on you to your nerves. There's actually a small solder bridge here. If you take that off, it will be muted. So you put it in there, press and hold. I'm sorry, I was out of focus. Done. That's it. That's how long it takes. And now I'm just looking around my camera. That's why I'm a little slower. And you can see here target power off, so there is no power right now on here while you're putting it in. Only after you push reset it gets powered, it burns the bootloader, and then it takes disables the power again. And this is how fast you can burn your bootloader and at the same time check if the chip is okay, because believe it or not, I had one chip, and these are from Mauser. I had one chip dead on arrival, and it's always nice to find out before you solder it onto your PCB. And this is how it goes. Press and hold, push the reset, and you get it done. One more. Done. Okay, and I also want to take this opportunity because I was asked by Banggood. They do have a tool sale festival, they call it, during the month of May. And they sent me a link. I just have this page here open. Let me plug out the TV real quick. So they have all kinds of sales for tools that you can go check it out. It's kind of a little slow updating the page, but you can see if you're into tools, you can find all kinds of deals here. And I will put the link into the description. I'm just sharing the link they sent me. I don't know if it's an affiliate link or not. I do have my own affiliate link, and I want to thank everybody who's using that, and also my Patreons for their support. And this was actually it. Kind of short video. Thanks for watching and take care, everybody.